Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn about the graphical presentation of the data. So firstly, previously we had learned about the data types, qualitative data and quantitative data. So now we are going to learn how can we present our data for the qualitative purpose and data for the quantitative, and how we can represent according to their depth. So firstly, for the graphical presentation of qualitative data, we have two types of categories. Firstly, the bar graphs usually used, and the second is the pie chart. Bar graphs are just looks like these bars, and here we have on x-axis the categories, and on y-axis we have the frequencies, and which describes by different color according to gender or whatever the class we have, we will present it, and that is the qualitative, that graph is for the quantitative purpose. And another is the pie chart. Pie chart is basically that kind of chart which is in circle form, and it lies in its slices according to its categories. For example, we have here the educational status of people surveyed, like bachelor, master and doctorate. Here we can see the last slide is of bachelor according to their education, and we have the green slides for the masters, and we have the purple slides for the doctorate level, and almost 2 to 8% of those are the slides used for those who were not qualified or who were not from the bachelor, master or doctorate level according to their subject. So these are the qualitative data which used for representing different categories. Now we have another kind for quantitative data. For quantitative data, we usually represent histogram are usually used for the quantitative purpose of the graphical presentation of the data, and here we can see here it's also the bars like we have seen in the bar graphs, but here is the major difference. That the major difference between the bar graph and the histogram is that we can see the distance or the gap between the bars, and in histogram we don't have any distance or any space or any gap between these bars, and where lies as we can see, and according to this category, basically it is used for the quantitative purpose. Here you can see the numbers are present, and on x-axis and on y-axis also the number are present in their frequency. It is basically the histogram of the hours spent studying, like 10 to 15 hours, 15.1 to 20 hours, 20.1 to 25, 25.1 to 30, and 30.1 to 35 hours is spent in frequency. Like for example, 8 people studied for 10 to 15 hours, almost 11 people studied for the 3.1 to 20 hours, and almost 7 people studied for 20.1 to 25 hours, and 3 people studied for the 25 decimal 1 to 30 hours, and here we have least number 30 decimal 1 to 35 hours studied for this much hour for study purpose. That's it for the graphical presentation of the quantitative and the quantitative data.